Hello friends, how are you? Hope all of you are doing great. So, I am very thankful to Amar for having me here to discuss the story of my TT journey. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Anil Thomre. I am a 41-year-old hardcore TT lover. By profession, I am a practicing dermatologist and cosmetologist since the year 2007 in Chembur. I stay in Tilak Nagar and I am a active member of Acres Club since the year 2015. Now let me tell you something about my TT journey. See, if you ask me when I started playing TT for the first time, unfortunately, I started very late because earlier I used to be interested in other sports, the carom, chess, football, and cricket. But then, when I got admission to my first year MBBS, I used to stay in hostel. So, in my second year during my undergraduation in 1998, I got introduced to the TT, and the journey started with the small orange ball, that 38 millimeter wala. Why, how I started the TT? There is a very interesting story behind it. My seniors, they used to play there, and the TT hall was quite big. Only one table was there, so they used to play overnight, and they used to call us as a part of ragging, and then we used to be a ball picker for them, the ball boy. So they used to play wherever ball used to go. They ask us to get the ball again, and I used to be there with them for hours and hours. And sometimes, then I used to get a chance to play one game, but then I developed little interest in the table tennis. So I got my colleague, one or two colleagues were there. So, but none of us had a racket. So we started playing with the notebook basically. After so I started playing in the 1998. So very next year, looking at my passion, my elder brother gifted me a racket, the kung fu wala, and then we started playing real TT. So I played TT there from the year 98 till 2002. Even surprisingly and fortunately, I got selected to represent Ahmednagar district, and we played against Pune, and we lost badly. But still, I did not give up on the TT. Then I came to Aurangabad after completing my undergraduation. That is my native place. I played for next 6 months in the 2002, but there in mid 2002 I met with a major accident, and my left leg was badly crushed. So muscles were injured and they were fibrous. I lost my all flexibility in the leg. I developed the deformity of ankle, like I used to walk on my toes. I was bedridden for 6 to 8 months. Then I had to give up on TT for a few months, and only painful part was not getting to play TT. More than injury, that was more painful part. So I was eagerly waiting to play TT, but the day I got to know that I am not able to put my foot flat on the ground, I was pretty nervous and upset that I won't be able to play again. But somehow, I kept on playing regularly, and fortunately my muscles regained their activity back at least 80%, and I was able to run actively. I was able to play actively. So then I was happy overall that that's fine, whatever happened, but I am still able to play TT. So then I played for another 1 year in the 2004. Then I got my admission for the post graduation in the dermatology in Mumbai, Nair Hospital. So I shifted to Bombay in 2005, and from 2005 to 2012 13, I did not play TT. I completed my post graduation. I got married. Then I decided to settle in Mumbai, so a lot of struggle was there, and because of that I could not focus on the TT part, so I was focusing more on my developing my private practice. But in 2014, one fine day, I got to know about Sindhi Society Gymkhana through Dr. Suhas Awad sir. And I was so happy that day. I was so excited. I was waiting that morning eagerly that I have to join back and I can play TT again. For next day, I went. That night I really couldn't sleep. I told my wife that I have to play TT. And next day I went to Sindhi Society Gymkhana, and there I started playing, and I met there Dr. Khilari sir, Vikram sir, Pramod sir, Rajan, Jimmy, Yogesh sir, and Subhash sir. So we used to play doubles a lot there, but it was real fun, and especially Pramod sir, I have paired with him a lot of times and many times, and we really enjoyed TT there. Also, we had a tournament. I paired with Amar once. I paired with Dr. Awad. We won the tournament. I even paired with Chandan sir once. I also won. Now here I want to mention the name of a special person, and he is Mr. Chandan. So Chandan sir is very special for me. The reason being, when I started playing in the SSG, my timing to play, I had a limit, so I was supposed to leave the club at around 8 a.m. because I have to reach home by 8:15. So early in the morning, because all people used to come around 7 o'clock, so and in 1 hour was not enough for me, so I wanted to play 3 hours. So fortunately I got company of Chandan sir, and that is also, there is also funny story behind that, how I got him. His son came to me for some treatment, I think some hair treatment, and one fine day while doing his procedure, I just asked him that, do you play TT? Then he said no. Then after some time he said, why dad plays TT? I said, your dad plays TT? He said yes. Then I said, okay, I want to talk to him. Then I got to know to Chandan, and then we decided next day that we will go together to SSG. And then there we kept on going regularly, and you won't believe, there were days when we used to get up in the midnight, 3:45, 3:30. By 4:30 we used to be in the SSG. Believe me, 4:30 a.m. and we used to play a lot. We used to practice, but believe me, my favorite shot in the table tennis is the toss spin, and the first player whom I saw playing toss spin was Chandan sir. That is why he is special to me, because the way the left-handed he used to go for the toss spin, and I used to block the ball and the ball used to fly off the racket. I used to get surprised, and I used to hit flat smashes. Earlier there were only two short strokes in my dictionary. One was a push and one was a smash. So it was not enough. I was not happy with the game. I realized that it's a reckless shots. I need to be little composed. Then I started studying Chandan sir's action toss spin. Then looking at his action, I got to know this is called toss spin. So I started going through a lot of videos online. YouTube videos have been a great source of for learning. Then I learned lot of TT, this toss spin video I saw, and that is how I became a big fan of Malong. So he is a great toss spinner. He is called machine of toss spin. So then I started doing drills in the clinic. Whenever I was not having patience, I used to do the drill. At home I used to do, and then I like one day I start getting into toss spins, and I still remember that I used to hit the toss spin, and Pramod sir especially was trying to block it, and ball used to fly off the racket, and I used to make fun of him. So it was a great journey, great fun there, and Pramod sir always used to abuse me positively. So that was a thing. Later on, this went on, and even my neighbor Atul Rao, he also joined me. And believe me, we three of us, Chandan Rao sir and Chandan sir, Atul and myself, we used to leave home by around 4:15, 4:30. Used to be there by 4:45. Used to play, and one day I still remember, I had a kid of organizing tournament with different clubs, so to check where actually we are standing. So once I organized tournament with the Shuraj team, which was in Andheri, and early in the morning when Chandan sir, myself, Vikram sir, and we were about to leave for the Andheri, I was literally having tremors in the leg, but somehow we went there. We played well, but we lost. After that, I kept tournament with Chembur Gymkhana. There, I don't want to describe it what happened with the Rohit Malhotra sir. So he badly crushed me. And next tournament then we had with the Acres. So here there was a big turning point in my journey of the TT. So in Acres, when for the first time I saw Shailesh sir, and it was not just Acres versus SCG, it was Acres, SCG and Chembur Gymkhana. And there I saw Shailesh sir was beating with ease to everyone. In fact, he did beat, the final was between Rohit sir and Shailesh sir, and Shailesh sir won. And his when I would looked at his skills, I was totally amazed. And there I got to know that I think I have met my mentor, the great SK sir. So then I took the membership of Acres Club. I shifted to Acres Club. It was very, with very heavy heart. I went to Acres, left playing at the SSG, and then in Acres, I met with Shailesh sir, Swami sir, Dr. Kalpesh, Rao sir, and Utsav. So when I used to play with the Shailesh sir, believe me, for 1.5 years, I was not even able to receive his serves properly. Loose serve, cut serve, top spin serve, under spin serve. It was a mess, great mess. Forget about the game. And then, myself and Dr. Kalpesh, we used to talk so much on the phone. We used to discuss how to handle his serve, how to play with him. It is not to beat him. It is just that he should not get bored playing with us, because if we are not able to play properly, then I don't think that he will have interest anymore playing with us. But then somehow after 1 to 2 years, we could handle his serves a bit, and thanks to SK sir that he never gave up on us. He also kept on giving us tips. I learned so many things looking at him. I got to know the real TT, what the meaning of real TT from SK sir. What is the sir issue, how you have to use your brain, the tactics, and way the handicaps. They used to give 6 handicap, 4 handicap, so that in that pressure situation how to play. And my total focus on the TT, that total game was changed. After that, we kept on playing regularly. Then I met with an old man, sorry, the young man, or you can say old man with the young heart and the great stamina, Mr. Swami. Hats off to him. He had such a great stamina to play. Believe me, guys, we have played best of 30, best of 40. He never used to stop. He just used to have that hunger for the games more and more and more. Sunday too, we used to play from morning 6:30 till 12:30, 1 o'clock. And that is how the fun was. And then KK, I cannot forget KK. So Ketan was there, very passionate player. And we also had the equal, passion for the TT. We used to play many games and we learnt a lot from each other. Shivraj, my childhood friend, who stays in Andheri, so he used to come someday to Acres, and there I got to know what actually the definition of spin. The way he used to hit loop, it used to be so spinny. Then looking at him, I learned few things. Playing with Rohit is like marathon. You need a lot of stamina, mental stamina, physical stamina. You need a consistency. Playing with Sanjay Dedia, Pratap Pandit, the games start with serves. If you are not able to read his serves, you are gone. So that was a different, tough part of the game. Then my one more name I want to mention specially is Mr. Rao, Chandrasekhar Rao sir. I cannot tell you, I cannot narrate how many memories I have with him. So each and every day, the single day, in for so many years, we used to keep on discussing every day what happened that day, how to be, what happened positive, what happened negative, what is to be done. Then he used to forward me videos, I used to forward him videos. Then we used to talk about theory. Believe me, if I believe that myself and Rao sir, he will also agree with me that we can write a book on how to do the pendulum serve. The pendulum serve journey has begun almost since last 2 year, I believe. Still we are doing it, and still we are not getting it. But yes, we haven't given up on that. So it's a fun. And even during this lockdown period, I am at Aurangabad. He's there, so Akers is allowing to play, so he's going to there, and you won't believe he's playing daily for 1.5 hour practicing pendulum serves. Hats off to him and his passion. And just to name one of my gurus, Rahul Tandonji. He has been a mentor all the time in every tournament at Emerald. Just with my one call away, he just comes, and then he's there, and we have a fun. He's a backhand master. He gives lot of tips to each and every player. He has the best reading of the game. That is why he's a true guru. And what more? So the list is never ending as such. So there are many friends. So we have tournaments in Emerald, then we met Shane, then we had a tournament in other clubs. So this is how the TT journey is going. Just because of the lockdown now, we are not able to play. So I hope that all are fit and fine and safe at home, and sooner we will reunite, we will have that fun again. And that's it. All the best to all of you.